Hello, and welcome to the Chanshan Centennial Library. My name is Lance, and I'm a librarian here at Southwestern Adventist University. This video is part of a series where I talk about the library, how it works, and what skills you need to do research well. In this video, I will talk to you about a tool you can use to assess sources of information. The world is full of information, and the rate that new information is produced is staggering. Some estimates say that the rate of production could be doubling the worldwide amount of information every single day. That's a ton of information to have to sort through. On top of that, there are people who generate information that isn't accurate or reliable. They may or may not be doing this on purpose, but you have to sort through it either way. Luckily, there are lots of tools that librarians have invented to help you through this process. The tool we're going to discuss in this video is a mnemonic device to help you think about the process of information sorting. This device, created by Mike Caulfield, is a good general-purpose tool, and it is called, appropriately enough, SIFT. SIFT stands for Stop, Investigate, Find, and Trace. Stop being the first step in reacting to new information is super important. So much disinformation is designed to provoke and exploit strong emotions. The creator is trying to get people stirred up. They are trying to make you feel scared, angry, prideful, confused, or whatever in order to get you to react without thinking. When you see something crazy online, before you click on that clickbait headline or make an angry Insta post, just stop for a second. The next thing you should do is investigate the source. Are they well known? Do they have a reputation for supplying good information? Are they known experts in the field? What do Wikipedia or fact-checking services say about them? If they have a bad reputation, or if nobody has ever heard of them before now, there's a good chance that their information is not reliable. If the source seems okay, find out if anybody else is talking about it. Usually, if something important is happening, there will be multiple people who found out and are talking about it. If multiple trustworthy sources are talking about the same event and the details are similar, you can put more trust in the accounts being correct. Oftentimes, things are based on a small kernel of truth. If we trace the information back to its original source, we can discover the surrounding context of the situation. For example, if people are upset at a situation portrayed in a photograph, was the photograph cropped in a misleading way? Is there a video of the event that provides a more complete perspective? If an article says that a study showed that looking into the sun is good for your eyes, does it really say that? Or does the study make some other claim that the authors mangled to fit their agenda? Finding the original context can be hugely illuminating, and often completely changes how we might view things. These steps don't necessarily always happen in this order, but they're all steps that are important to take as we engage with information sources. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for listening, and don't forget that we have a bunch of other videos that can help you out. If you have any questions or need more help or information, don't hesitate to reach out to the library at the contact information on the screen.